Hi, I'm Adrian, co-founder and CEO here at Cademy, and today I'm excited to announce course forums. We've been working on this feature for many months now, and it's exciting to actually see it out. The course forums are a nice private way to create a community as part of your course, and that means that everyone who enrolls into any of your courses automatically is part of that community. This is one of my forums created here on the back of a course that has dates. So this is an in-person course that people will be attending. And I have the details where I need to go. And at the same time, I also have this Facebook-like experience where I see posts created by admins and other learners, and I can go through them directly in here. For a course that has, the delivery method set online, I'll be seeing the Zoom link here on the right side. And for the on-demand course, I'll have course content, of course, directly accessible here as well. So it's right where all the rest of the information about the course that I'm doing is housed, and I have an easy way for me to stay up to date with anything that's happening that's course related. So you can use this forum to post updates and encourage conversations. You can share your slides, you can share your Zoom recordings, YouTube videos, whatever you wish. You can just post them in here and everybody will be automatically notified. So you can see that you can create posts of every type, whether it's videos, links, polls, attachments, images. It'll just work. And people, of course, can respond with a comment. Example, comment. And they can react with emojis. And it's a nice, friendly, fun experience for everyone. We take care of all the hard stuff, so any post that is getting created will automatically be included in a digest. The user will get that digest every 24 hours. So it'll say, here's what's new in that course forum. And they'll see every new post from there. It'll look like the forum directly in here. So it's nice and engaging. We don't need to worry about how it'll look. It'll just be very familiar for the user. And from here, they can react, comment, or review. It'll take them back to the forum where they can continue posting the emoji or comment or whatever they wanted to do. All of this is taken care of automatically. Everyone who joins the course or anyone who you add to the course will automatically be subscribed and will be getting notified about all the new posts via the daily digest email, but they can control that. They can change their preference to only get posts from admins, and they can choose it to not get any posts whatsoever. Now, as an admin, you have a few extra options. You can delete or edit posts by yourself or others, and you can pin your posts. You can also, when you create a brand new post, you have an extra option here to email everyone now. And what that means is if there's an important message that you want to announce as soon as possible, so let's say the location of the course changed or the Zoom link changed or the facilitator is sick, you can post it. And you can tick this box and we'll send an email as soon as you create the post rather than wait for the digest email, okay? And that means that you have a quick way to notify without having to figure out how to send a bulk email to your attendees. It's just taken care of directly through the forums. So it's a much faster and easier way to engage with your learners, and hopefully you'll love it. Now, you're probably thinking, how do you enable this for your courses? It's quite simple. By default, every single course you create from now on will have the forums enabled on them. But if you wish to disable the course forums, or if you wish to enable the forum for a course you already have running, you have a few options. So here I am in the admin dashboard in Cademy. In settings, forums, there's a new area here to control forums on my whole account. So I can disable forums, for example, on my whole account, and that means that when I create new courses, it's not going to be creating forums on those courses. But by default, it's enabled and everyone will be getting this feature out of the box. Let's say I want to control it on a per course basis. Here's how you do it. I can just go into any course that I have, and in the edit section of the course, under settings, there's a new section here called course forum. You click on that and you can choose to enable or disable. So if you already have a course that you created before this release, by default, it will be set as disabled. So if you want to enable a forum on your course, you simply come in there and click enabled, click save. And as soon as you do that, the course will be activated for that. The forum will be activated for that course. Simply go into your course and you'll see at the top the option to view forum. Now, because this is an on-demand course, I'll be able to click on that and it'll be taking me to the forum directly. But for courses with dates, it works slightly different. So courses with dates have a forum for each individual date. So if I go here into a course with dates, the dates will load on the left side. And you can see that I have a dedicated link to go to a forum for each individual date. We did not want to create a single forum across all the dates because it can be a noisy experience. Let's say if I'm booking for the course in December, I don't want to get notifications and discussions for the course that happens in May. Now that might change. We're always welcome to hear from you if you have different needs. But by default now, the way it works is every single course date has its own forum. So every webinar, let's say, that you run will have its own little forum, and you'll be able to share updates directly with those people. So let's say from here, I can click to view the forum and jump directly into that forum. I don't need to add myself as a student to the course. As an admin, I have access directly to the forum. So it's as simple as that. You also have a link to jump to the forum from here. Okay. I hope this helps. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to message us through the live chat as always. This is just the beginning of this feature. We have lots more planned in this area to expand on both the forums and the communities more widely as a whole. And we hope to hear from you. Please give us feedback and help us understand what we should be building next. Okay, we hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks and take care.